Frustrated trying to watch your favorite shows on YouTube TV with your MacBook Pro? Let's fix that in under 90 seconds. First, open your Safari browser. YouTube TV works perfectly well on Safari. Type tv.youtube.com into the address bar and hit enter. Now, log in with your Google account. Use the same email and password you use on your other devices. If you're having any trouble playing video, go to the Safari menu at the top of your screen, and then click Settings for this website. Ensure that the autoplay is set to allow all autoplay. Also, make sure content blockers aren't enabled for the YouTube TV website. If Safari is still giving you issues, download and install Google Chrome. It's a free and reliable alternative. Just like Safari, simply navigate to tv.youtube.com in Chrome and sign in. Chrome usually works seamlessly with YouTube TV. And that's it. You should now be able to enjoy YouTube TV on your MacBook Pro. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.